For today's cherry barbecue sauce, we need cherries, paprika powder, molasses, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, star anise, cinnamon bark, and allspice. Exact quantities are down in the description. Now we put the cinnamon, the star anise and the allspice into a tea bag, or if you don't have a tea bag, just use ground cinnamon, allspice and star anise. Now we're gonna put everything into the pot. In goes the tea bag, the cherries, half a cup of water, the paprika, the garlic powder, the cayenne pepper, the vinegar, and the molasses. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Now we bring it to boil and then simmer for 20 minutes. So it's 25 minutes. Switching off the fire, removing the tea bag. Now we're gonna take the immersion blender and move that stuff out. Now we're gonna fill